Welcome to your Additive Manufacturing News Review. Every 2 weeks, we bring you the latest breakthroughs, industry shifts, and cutting-edge innovations shaping the future of 3D printing. Today is Saturday, the 26th of April, 2025. Let's dive in. First up, in technology breakthroughs, Flow Science has unveiled its Flow 3D 2025 R1 suite, expanding its simulation power for additive manufacturing, welding, and casting. This release introduces Flow 3D AM and Flow 3D Weld into the core product family, offering engineers dramatically faster simulations with upgraded automation and high-performance computing. The advancements don't stop there. Flow 3D Hydro is stepping up its capabilities with enhanced discrete element modeling, enabling even greater precision in hydraulic and environmental engineering projects. Continuing with cutting-edge research, the University of Toronto has developed a new machine learning framework called AIDED. Led by Professor Yu Zhu, this system streamlines laser 3D printing by rapidly identifying optimal process parameters, aiming to push forward industries like aerospace, biomedical, and nuclear manufacturing. Meanwhile, at Penn State, researchers have achieved a major milestone by 3D printing hybrid metal structures with micron-level precision. Using a new selective powder deposition system, they've successfully combined metals like stainless steel and bronze in a single layer, opening doors for complex multi-material designs in fields like biomedical implants and heat exchangers. In the field of industrial collaborations and AI-driven manufacturing, SCANLAB and 1000 Kelvin have partnered to revolutionize laser control and melt pool dynamics using AI. Their integration of scan motion control and the Amaze Physics AI platform allows manufacturers to print intricate geometries with exceptional thermal accuracy and surface finish. It's a major leap toward first-time right production in industrial additive manufacturing. Now turning to sustainability and funding news, the University of Waterloo received a $5 million boost to establish the Consortium for Sustainable Scale-Up in Metal Additive Manufacturing. This initiative will drive clean economic growth in Ontario's advanced manufacturing sector while building on the world-renowned reputation of Waterloo's MSAM lab. Also on the standards and governance front, ASTM International and ASTRO America have joined forces to advance best practices for large-scale additive manufacturing, focusing on technologies like additive friction stir deposition. Their collaboration will help shape future industry standards for quality and non-destructive evaluation methods. Finally, in defense and global applications, major moves are underway. Pratt Whitney is embracing additive manufacturing to repair critical GTF engine components, slashing process time by 60% and aiming to recover $100 million worth of parts in the next 5 years. Across the Atlantic, AML 3D has secured an initial contract with BAE Systems to supply nickel aluminium bronze wire for defense applications, marking a strategic entry into the UK market. Meanwhile, Babcock International, partnering with CinetiQ, has been awarded a contract by the UK Ministry of Defence to equip Ukraine's armed forces with 3D printing capabilities for military parts, enhancing their battlefield readiness with innovative digital manufacturing solutions. That's all for today's bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates as these technologies continue to shape the future of manufacturing and defence. Thanks for listening.